Sorry, I am screaming, you were right. I feel dizzy and sick. Bitch, hey, tell Viddle you said hi, he's been feeling lonely recently. D, can you make sure my original song is Bobbalational? Bah! I'll leave it to fate. Bah ha ha ha. Look, it even makes a cute smiley face. Bowie! Buck 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 grok buck. Boom. Would you all die just to keep me warm? I'm kinda cold just thinking about it. Thor. So generous of you. Cheers! Amazing, right?
We should put a pillow on his head for so long that he just suffocates.
Mo. Two. Me. No. No. Oz. Yee. Hey. It's yo. Gah! Go. Yeah. Fine.
Perfect.
Yeah. Heh. The only person I would ever want dead is Vidal. Maybe you guys too.
Yeah.
Switch to me? Huh? Huh? Okay, that was way worse. Enthralling the masses. Is that even a subject? It should be. Ahaha, Vidal relying on an indie game to carry his stream, lol. Hoi. Underscore soy. Twitchy. I hope I don't fall off my chair. Nah. Oh, what did you do, Vidal? Oh, yeah, I'm blocking everything. I'm trying my best, okay? Please don't throw Pokeballs, chat. They tend to ricochet. Ouch! Did you forget to even whitelist me at the... Rip bozo. You will not be missed. Anything to help bring sunshine into a child's life. Watu. Run while you still can. Suspicious.
Wait! Nice one.
Can't believe I got a
What was
blank.
that noise?
Anyways, how's everyone's day been? I thrive off your suffering, so I hope it's been bad. Russia. Whee! Stop looking at my tail. You're making me so shy. Well, thanks everyone for the New Year's wishes. You're all so cute. Yawn. I'm feeling sleepy now. Yippee! Zip! Alright, I think this is getting awkward again. This is too much social interaction for me.